Today we're going to talk about a sensitive but crucial topic, celebrity scandals and how online reputation management can help. Celebrities often face intense public scrutiny, and a scandal can quickly spiral out of control. Living their lives in the public eye, a single misstep can lead to widespread backlash. However, online reputation management (ORM) offers strategies to handle these crises effectively. Let's explore how to manage and mitigate the impact. The first step in managing a scandal is to monitor what's being said online. Use tools like Google Alerts, mention, and social media monitoring tools to keep track of mentions. A timely and professional response is crucial. Acknowledge the issue, apologize if necessary, and provide a clear plan of action. Make sure your response is sincere and addresses the concerns raised by the public. Work with public relations experts to control the narrative. Release official statements, engage in interviews, and use social media to communicate directly with your audience. Flood the internet with positive content to push down negative search results. Share stories about your charitable work, achievements, and positive aspects of your career. Your fans can be your strongest allies. Engage with them on social media, thank them for their support, and address their concerns directly. A loyal fan base can help spread positive messages and counteract negative publicity. Managing a scandal can be overwhelming. This is where online reputation management experts like leak content removal come in. We specialize in handling high-profile cases and can help restore your reputation. Our team can monitor, respond, and push positive content to help you regain control of your public image. Celebrity scandals can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can manage and even recover from them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Our team is here to help you navigate and manage any online reputation challenges. Until next time, stay positive and proactive in managing your online presence.